Hey everyone, so this is my review on this BAGSMART bag that I just got, and so far everything looks to be really good. So here you can see the front pocket, and it also has another front pocket here. And essentially how it opens is that it is kind of like a clamshell type opening with a zipper, two zippers on the side. One is kind of hidden and then one is like a mesh pocket. And then up here you basically just have different compartments that you can use for this camera bag. So with this camera bag you've got different kind of walls that are Velcro strapped into this bag overall. But the way this bag holds is that you simply can use it as a backpack. It can also attach to your carry-on, and you can also use it as like a satchel. Okay, so it's got like a messenger component strapped to it as well, where if you attach it here, it can just do like a cross satchel just like that. But even so, I'd say the straps have some breathable mesh material to it. I do wish that there was a waist strap component to it though, just because my camera specifically is pretty heavy, and so I did want to make it more ergonomically friendly when it came to actually carrying this bag. Also on the side you have like side pockets as well in case you want to access your camera from the side. Okay, that's actually possible too. But overall, very pleased with it. If you're interested in just a nice neat small bag for your camera, I'd say this is a really good job. But if you're going to be carrying like loads and loads of stuff, I'd say this would be a bit more difficult. But even on the side also, it's got a strap in case you wanted to carry like a tripod or something as well. But overall, very pleased with the bag.